Naghahanda na ang isang grupo para sa kauna-unahang Filipino Pavilion sa kasaysayan ng Vancouver International Children's Festival.
We're really excited to be able to share Filipino culture with, approximately 16,000 people that are expected to show up this year.
Sa halos 50 taon kasaysayan ng International Children's Festival sa Granville Island, ngayong taon sa ika-49 na edisyon nito, unang itatayo ng grupong Versus Creative Labs ang Philippine-themed tent na pinamagatang Kultura Kubo. Bukod sa pagbida sa kultura at mga sayaw na katutubos, asahan din daw ang ilang aktibidad para sa mga bata.
They basically hand-carved by Bayan stamps that the kids can kind of stamp their name or stamp a word in Baybayin, and they can take it home with them or help decorate the replica Bahay Kubo that we have as well. Thanks to Pinoy Pride Vancouver, they're letting us use this really amazing Bahay Kubo replica. We also have some amazing coloring sheets that Mar also created with, Filipino animals.
Magaganap ang Vancouver International Children's Festival May 25 hanggang May 31. Ngayon hanggang May 15, isang online auction naman ang isasagawa ng grupo, fundraising para sa kanilang Philippine-themed pavilion. Ang nasabing online auction makikita sa kanilang Instagram account.
We're hoping for at least $5,000 to help fund all the activities happening in it, to help cover the expenses of the supplies and materials and all that.
Maaring bisitahin ang Kultura Kubo tent sa Activity Village area ng festival sa katapusan ng Mayo.
Head on down to the Activity Village and visit us at the Kultura Kubo. We can't wait to see you.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.